Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 1-22 axle jaw stud of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get designing. Let's open up our what's changed for? Open up the template, our template file we created. It's MMGS, and this is going to be saved as. It's going to be saved as 1-20. Nope, sorry, 1-22. Already done 20. Okay, so we want to go top plane, create sketch. We want a circle. That dimension is going to be 5. Yep, going to be 5, and it's going to be length of 62. So feature, extrude, mid-plane, 62, done. Extend that out, thank you. Now we need to put a thread on this. Let's go thread. The thread tool type and size profiles are nominal thread profiles only. Do not use them for production quality thread. Create production quality threads, modify the normal profiles to meet design requirements. That's fine. Don't really need that at the moment. So we want the thread location, which is going to be that one. And it's going to be 11 down. And it's going to be M5. Do that one. This says M5, doesn't say what thread, so that's fine. We'll do the M5 5.08 and done. There we go, beautiful. Now we want to do the same this end, but it's going to be same but different. We're whole wizard, thread, yes. So we want to do that one. This is going to be 20, so 11. It's going to be the same thread, and okay. And done. There we go. That's all there is to that one, yeah, that's it. So thank you for coming along, hope you enjoyed that. So we learned some threads today. Click that like button if you enjoy. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you so much, and leave comments below. I love hearing from guys and girls. Thank you again. I'll see you next episode.